Hey, my name is Wilke de Krij and I'm the founder of ConnectIO, and I'd like to give you a quick demo of ConnectAutomate. It's no secret that sharing engaging content is one of the fastest ways to get an audience to know, like and trust you or your brand. And that's why you're seeing entrepreneurs like Russell Brunson, Gary Vee and Grant Cardone post on Facebook every single day. Unfortunately, you cannot rely on Facebook's organic reach to show your content anymore. You'll have to leverage Facebook ads to make sure it actually gets seen, right? And that is where ConnectAutomate comes in. Instead of wasting money on non-performing ads, ConnectAutomate will automatically give you the best performing content the exposure it deserves. It works by setting up automated rules that will monitor your Facebook page. Here's how to set one up. First, select the Facebook page that you'd like to use. Select what type of content you'd like to give exposure to, such as photos, videos, or offers. Let's say we only want to promote 2 posts at any given time. Next, we can decide when a post should be promoted exactly. So, for example, you could select all posts that will get at least 50 likes so you know people like it. Or you could only promote posts that get shared by at least 1% of people who've seen it, maximizing its viral effect. In the next step, you'll select your Facebook ads account and campaign, as well as what you'd like the campaign to be optimized for. You'll then pick for how many days the ad should run, what the ad set name should be, and what budget you'd like to spend. And obviously you're in full control of who's going to see your ad and what Facebook should optimize for. And once you've created the rule, ConnectAutomate will automatically check your Facebook page 24/7. All you need to do is post content on your Facebook page and ConnectAutomate will automatically promote your best performing content. And best of all, it's created in an optimized Facebook campaign towards the goal that you specified. You can create as many rules as you'd like so you can have multiple campaigns running at the same time. So, for example, you could be promoting your most viral post with a large audience to make sure your reach multiplies, while making sure your most commented posts are shown to your retargeting audience to get them to become a customer. And that's it. That's how easy it is to set up and get highly engaged ads to grow your business using ConnectAutomate. So with that having said, I hope to see you on the inside.